and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we are going to do installation of the Eclipse and the Python development tool above the Eclipse. Why we'll be doing, actually, as we have seen in our previous session, we are facing like some kind of like not facing as such problem while typing the Python commands and kind of thing in command prompt. Correct, like if I say Python, then the typing, like there is no suggestion, a kind of thing. So this would not very comfortable tool while working for the Python, any programming language. So we need proper integrated development environment. So I would suggest like we will use the freely available development environment. If you are Java background, then Eclipse would not be a very big deal, and if you are not a Java background, then I'll help you to install the Eclipse and then Python development tool. The installation process is very simple, but there are few more steps to do. That's the only thing. Otherwise the installation is very simple. So we will be installing this Pydev Eclipse on the Windows operating system. So similar things you can do if you have different operating system like Mac OS and Linux or something. So that's the things should work similarly. So I'll prefer the Windows because most of the people use Windows operating system. Okay, so in this we will install the Eclipse Neon version, and which is latest available as of now of the Eclipse tool, and then Python development environment. So let me go through this and let's save the time. So first thing what you have to do is first download the Eclipse Neon version. So what I'll do, I'll use this URL to download the Eclipse Neon version. Okay, before that I just wanted to tell you one more thing, like all the training will be published on this URL, python.trainingforexam.com. so this is third module right now. So if we, as soon as we complete few more modules, we'll publish all the training on this URL, and you can access this training from this URL. Okay, so now let me go to the Eclipse download for there, and now you can see here this is the download step. So we'll not download here directly by clicking this, we'll go to the packages section. Okay, so that would be easy for us. This packages, don't download from here, just download here packages, and I'm going to download for the like Windows operating system. So I'll choose the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Don't worry, we're not going to do Java development in this session, but download this IDE. Okay, so and this is and I'll use 64-bit because my operating system is 64-bit. If you want what is operating system, which version of operating system you have on your machine, so just go to the C drive and right click and see the properties here, and here you can see like sorry, not here actually. um, I'll tell you how to check the system information. Okay, just a minute. Uh, Instead of C drive, you have to select this PC and then click the properties. Then you can see this is the like system type. This is 64-bit operating system. In your case it might see 32-bit operating system or something, so you can download the 32-bit. So I'll install the 64-bit version of the operating system. So just download here, click on the 64-bit. So once you click it, it will download one zip file. So you can see it will start. Okay, not yet downloaded. So you just have to, this is the file which we need to download it. Just click on this and it will download it. Okay, so let's click on this, and it is saying thank you for downloading Eclipse, and this is the download have started. In case it is blocked on your browser, then make sure the download works properly. So it is you can see 161 MB file. Right now we'll cancel it because in my case it is already downloaded. So once you download this, then you can see like this kind of Eclipse zip file would be downloaded on your machine. Okay, the same version it is going to download here. So this is Neon version. So what we have to do this now, actually I have given all the steps in the PDF as well, so you can follow this PDF as well. Okay, so till now we have completed here. Now if you have unzip installer like any WinRAR or WinZip, whatever tool you have, you can use it and extract to this folder. I would say this. Okay, and it will take some time to get down unzip. Okay, because this zip like 161 MB to it will become 178 MB file now. So that is fine actually. So let's wait it get to be finished. It is faster. It won't take so much time. Okay, so now then go to the PDF. Again, what is the next step is, like, once this download is finished, we will be having this kind of folder being created here once the it's done, correct. So now it is done here, here. So what I'll do, actually it's a big name of the folder, I'll just change this folder name to neon. That's fine. Okay, it's just I rename this folder neon, and inside this we have Eclipse folder. Okay, so now Eclipse, and then this is the exe is very important. Now just double click on this exe, it will start the Eclipse on your machine neon point 2. Okay, so don't worry what exactly this, but you should see this. Now this is the workspace like kind of things wherever you work on your machines, like it store the things actually. So what I'll do, I'll change the name to my workspace to Python, because I have a lot other things on my machine. So Python 1, I'll give the name to this workspace. So you can give a path to your machine actually. So you can keep the default if you're first time installing the Eclipse, otherwise you can change it. Okay, so if I don't change it, let's say, so in my case it will give an error like this, uh, mm, uh, will not be able to start because it is. So I'll cancel it, I will not override it, and then what I'll change, I'll do rename this Python 1 something, I've append this. So this is new folder in the C drive would be created. Okay, so now we have created the Eclipse workspace. So it's very simple and fast process. Once the Eclipse is installed, like Eclipse installation is not very big task actually, so it is taking some time to get start. So let it get start Eclipse. So this is the splash screen, you can see. Now this is the Eclipse install on your machine. That's fine. Now you can start Java development if you're a Java expert. Otherwise, that's fine. We don't want. Just close this welcome page. Now this is the Java ID. It has nothing like Java development environment, but we are going to do the development on the Python. So what I will do, we have to install the Python tool here. Actually, Anaconda must be installed on your machine, as in the module 1 we have already done, correct. So now just go here, and now uh, go to the help section of the Eclipse, click help, install new software. Now we are going to install the Python development environment. So what way, from where it has to install, so we need some site URL, correct. It will download from here, so we'll use this URL, just control C, and click paste here, click on this add, and you can just give the Python dev something, any name you can give. Okay, and let's wait, it will list all the available the software to from this site if you want to install. So we are just interested in Python development, so we will not do the myelin integration right now, so leave it right now. So we have Python development for Eclipse and Python development for Eclipse developer resources, so we will install this two project. Okay, so now just click next, nothing else. So what it does is, actually it will download this Python dev for Eclipse. Click again next, and it will ask for terms and conditions. So obviously we have to accept this terms and conditions, and just click finish. Okay, so now it will download it, and don't click in run in background, because if we want to see what is happening, so you can just see it is downloading the things which is required for work on this Eclipse as a Python development environment. So this is also known as a plugin for Eclipse. Okay, so we are installing one plugin for Eclipse. That plugin works for the so let me tell you how it works actually. So this is our Eclipse environment, correct. This is our Eclipse we have installed. Now by default you can write Java code, but I wanted to write code in Python. So what I have to do, I have to install one plugin for this, so that is known as plugin. So I can do the Java code. Now if I wanted to do some SQL development use in the Eclipse, so what I have to do, SQL plugin I have to install. Similarly, if I wanted to work for the Scala programming language, so I'll install the Scala plugin. So this kind of plugin we install it, and then we can, because by default it is the development environment for the Java, but now we want to do development from other languages and other things, so then we will have to install the plugin here. So we'll be installing right now Python plugin. Okay, so we can do a Python development in the Eclipse actually. So why I'm doing so much installation is, actually it's very convenient to do programming in Eclipse, and it's a free of cost. You don't have to buy any software kind kind of thing, and it's very comfortable kind of thing. So whenever you do a lot of development, then the this IDE would help you to organize your code and kind of thing. So make a habit of working on the one of the IDE actually. So it is now warning installing the software. So it's just don't worry about this. It is asking, it is a third party software, so are you comfortable with this or okay. So I'll say okay, I'm comfortable with this. Now we have to trust this certificate, or select this and click OK, and then it will continue. And now it will ask us to restart the Eclipse. Yes, I wanted to restart, so don't worry, it will automatically restart. You don't have to do manually anything. Okay, so now it will restart. Again it will take some time. So now Eclipse restarted again. Now this is the plugin page. Now let's move here in this. Now till now we have done here these steps we have already done. So this is very fast process, but it's a lot of screenshot I have captured, so you can follow this as well. This PDF, I will share this PDF. Now what you have to do, we are going to do the development. So we have to open the Python console. Okay, Windows, and where it is asking us show view, select the console here. Okay, console. Now we can see console is available here. Again we are still not having Python console, correct? So there are various consoles available, so like Java Stack Trace console, Maven console, new console view. So we are interested in Python development console. So now okay, Python development console. Okay, and now just click OK here, and let's see, it is creating interactive console for us, so it will take some time again. So let's wait it to be get finished. Okay, okay, so now you can see this is the console is available here, and we can do some basic practice here. So let's maximize it because we are going to work on this console here. So let's just type print statement here. Like don't type, just type P and use control space. Okay, and it will suggest you. That is not possible in the command prompt, correct? Now what is all available functions you can see here. So like this is, it is showing here. So these are the all available function with start with the name P. Just type R, so it will list short all the functions which are start with print PR. Okay, so I'll use this print statement, and then I would type something, welcome to Python learning, correct, and enter it. So it will print it. So it's very smooth actually. Now just do A and control space, correct, control space. It will tell you these are all available functions or keywords or something. So what I will do, I will use absolute function, and I'll type something minus 1.1, and what it is, it will give you the absolute value. Similarly let's type some string here, let's say welcome, and that string should have some function, correct? So give dot, and these are all functions available in the string class. So you can see so many functions. And okay, now let's go to the one of the function. Okay, see, I type capitalize it. So here you can see even the explanation about this function as well. You should see. Okay, so now you can see this is the function. What it can do, it's a capitalize it, and now use the upper U to convert into the upper case. So you can see upper. So again, capitalize if you have not understood, so I'll tell you again. Then dot capitalize it. What it does is actually built-in method capitalize. Okay, so it gives you the what is capitalized method. If you want to call, you have to use the this parenthesis, then only it will call, otherwise it will tell you what is the definition of this functions. Correct. So now capitalize it, what is actually do is like first word it will capitalize first character, and you can see the entire string is printed. So this way we can use the various functions. So again, what all string functions are available, you can just try this and just put the dot and it will list all the functions which are available. Correct. Yes, and you can see, you can sorry, dot and count. What exactly it does is actually nothing to count here. I don't know what this function does actually. So there are various functions is available, and is alphanumeric or not, it will tell us true, it's a alphanumeric string. Correct. So that's all we will do in the Eclipse. So we'll do our hands-on now further using this Eclipse Python development environment. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like this session. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, because we are uploading new session. And at the last, I would say go to the hadoopexam.com and just subscribe here to get the regular updates from the hadoopexam.com. Just put your name and email ID here, that's all. And these are the all products which we are providing currently, so you can get the any product if you are interested in, and we are keep uploading new keep building new products. You can subscribe if you want it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like this session. If you like this session, just give thumbs up on the YouTube.